Hey, this is Chan, and today I'm going to be decorating my A5 Hobonichi with you. I'm going to be decorating this page here with some of the die cuts and also some stickers from Simple Stories Domestic Bliss collection. This is a really cute collection with all sorts of home-themed icons, and the colors are really cute in this collection as well. So this is the die cut pack, and normally it doesn't come in this plastic pouch. It comes in just a plastic bag, but I like to transfer all my die cuts into these plastic pouches just to keep them organized, but also because these plastic pouches, they're made for CDs and DVDs, right? And this plastic is just thicker than those bags that come with some of these die cut packs, so it's sturdier and doesn't rip, you know? So that's why I like to use these. So before I start using some of these die cuts, I wanted to show you the designs that you get, because personally I like to see what the designs are before I buy a die cut pack, and sometimes when you're shopping online, they don't actually show you all the designs, right? So I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you these before I use them. So this package comes with 53 designs, or 53 pieces, although one of them is missing, and I think that's just because when I was looking through a bunch of die cut packs one day, I probably just put it in the wrong bag. But the one that's missing is just a little heart. I think it's a pink heart. Alright, so you get this little alarm clock that says, "Ain't nobody got time for that." You get the cute little doggy, and this is one of the ones that I want to use on today's page. This washing machine, which I totally want to use today. And then you get Hustle, one that says laundry, little laundry basket, want to use that. Do I have to adult today? A little telephone. Oh, and I didn't mention the cardstock weight. So these are not a super thick cardstock, but they're also not flimsy feeling. So they're somewhere in between. They're not, I would just call them a regular weight of cardstock, which is, I know that's not really helpful if I just say regular weight, but it's not super thick and it's also not super thin. I do like the way the cardstock feels though. It's matte finish, so I like the look of them, and also the colors are really cute too. And actually, if you're using ephemera in your Hobonichis, I kind of prefer using the ones that are not too thick, because then they don't, I mean the pages are quite thin in the Hobonichi, right? So it's nice if the die cuts are not too thick to weigh things down. So this one says wash, dry, fold, repeat. I'm going to be using that. There's this little clothing hanger with a heart. This couch is totally cute. I like the sizes of these too, because a lot of these are a little bit larger, so they'll fit nicely in the A5. They'll take up a nice amount of space, you know? There's one that says love, to do, scissors. That's totally cute. Get it done. This little lamp. This cute little lamp. These clothespins. You get 3 of the clothespins in different colors. And there's a little plant. Broom. Another little plant. These look cute together, the little plants. There's another one. This little spool of thread. Dustpan. Little piggy bank. Oven mitt. A house. Cute little house. And another one. It's a dollar sign. I put the mess in domestic. What's for dinner? Speech bubble. This one says busy, busy, busy. And then there's these little sort of pie chart looking ones. There's 3 of those. There. Little coffee cup. And then there's another one, a different color. And then this one that says hello life. Where's the maid? I heart naps. Okay, I love that one. I don't think so. This little tag. And the little hole is also cut out. So you can actually just use this as a gift tag if you want. Home sweet home. Of course, if it didn't have the hole punched out of it, you could just punch a hole in it and use it as a gift tag too. And this one here is, this might look kind of funny, but this is a person's head. So, I mean, you don't see her whole face, but this is her hair with a bun. A little heart. I need a timeout. Getting stuff done. And here are the other clothespins that I mentioned before. So you get 3 colors. And this cute little vacuum cleaner. This one that says house plus love equals home. That's cute. And these hearts. It's 3 hearts together, and then a little green heart. And then, as I mentioned before, there's a pink heart that's missing. So it's kind of like this same color pink there. Alright, so the ones I want to use are these ones here. But I also want to use some stickers too. So let me get those to show you. Okay, so here is a sticker book that I put together, and there's some sticker sheets in here from the Domestic Bliss collection. So there's a pack of 8 sheets of stickers that you can get, and I just taped the sheets onto these sheets of paper and put them in this book. So here's a couple of sheets here, and you can see this one has lots of little words, and the color scheme's so cute, eh? And this one's got the little icons, And this sheet here has a bunch of the little rectangles. I'm pretty sure that these probably fit nicely in the Simple Stories planner boxes, but I mean, you could use them in whatever planner you have just to add some color, right? Then you also get this alphabet set and these stickers with the cute little labels here, right? And also these ones here. So all these little word stickers and then these ones. So I wanted to use some of these stickers here because I got this idea from this sticker tablet, and this is Simple Stories home sticker tablet, but it matches the Domestic Bliss collection. Like the color scheme and the designs are from the Domestic Bliss collection, but they just called this one home. Right? So I got this idea from one of the stickers in here. It says love, laughter, and laundry. So I thought that was cute, right? But I wanted it to be bigger because of my A5 book, right? So I'm going to recreate that sentiment with some of these stickers here. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to add some washi tape first, and I'm going to be using this one here. This is classic washi tape in this color. I just love this color so much. I'm going to be adding it right here. Normally, last year, my go-to thing was to add washi tape along the bottom of the pages, but I'm trying to break out of my normal, routine of decorating my Hobonichi and just kind of try to mix up a little. Actually, a bunch of pages in my Hobonichi so far don't have any washi tape on them, which I know would surprise some of you guys because I love washi tape so much, but there's a bunch of pages that are all stickers so far and no washi, which is quite surprising, I think. But I'm going to add some washi today, and I'm thinking I'm just going to kind of have it right here. So next I'm going to glue in these little die cuts here, and this one here, I was thinking of putting it here just because it fits so nicely in that little space there. And then I wanted to put this little laundry machine here, this washing machine here, and then a little dog here. So the reason I want to do this laundry theme today is because the past few days I've needed to wash Wilbur's winter coat every day. Because, well, if any of you have watched my family video, my journaling video about my little guys, then you'll know that Wilbur is part Chihuahua and part Corgi, right? So he's got really small legs, not quite as small as a purebred Corgi. His legs are a little bit taller than a purebred Corgi, but his legs are still pretty small. He's still pretty low to the ground, right? So his belly gets dirty very easily. So last week was really frigid cold, but then temperatures are starting to warm up a bit. So what's happening is the snow is starting to melt, and then there's a lot of dirty slush on the ground, right? So it's just this really muddy, gross ground out there. So it's sticking to Wilbur's, the belly of his coat, right? And so after our walks, he'll come home and he'll have all this just mud all over, all over his belly and the belly of his coat. So, and also just coming up on the sides of his coat too, and it just splashes up and gets on even the top of his coat. So luckily we have more than one coat. What happens is, we'll go for an earlier walk and then he'll wear one and then it'll get kind of a little too muddy for the next walk, right? So I'll put that in the wash and then he'll wear another one and then another one. So at the end of the day, I gotta wash them all just to make sure that they're nice and clean for the next day, because I don't want him to have to walk out with mud all over himself, or mud all over his coat, I should say. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some of these word stickers here. So, now I wanted to use this sticker here that says, "Every day I'm Launderin." I think that's so cute. This one here. If you look closely, the sticker has a bit of color from the other stickers, these two stickers up here, because just the way they die cut the stickers is a little bit off, right? And, I mean, it's not really a big deal. I could have a little bit of the color. At first I was thinking of maybe trimming that off, but I don't know if I really mind it. Maybe I will trim it off. But it doesn't necessarily look horrible or anything, but I do think I'm going to just trim it off. I want to add this one too. This one says, "Life is short, laundry is forever." That's so funny. I think this one, I'm actually just going to add some glue to the back of it because it's on top of the washi tape, and I want to just make sure that it stays down because it's starting to lift off. Where's my glue? So I just want to add a few stickers from this sticker tablet here. There's actually one here that says, "Every day I'm laundering." I think that's so cute. And then there's one that says, "Normal is just a setting on the washer." That's so funny. So I just wanted to use some of these little clothespins here, because these ones are quite a bit larger. The little die cut ones are larger, right? So I wanted to add a few of these smaller sized ones. Okay, I changed my mind because I actually really like the look of this larger one here. And I thought I'd put these smaller ones on this side here. If you reposition these stickers a little too much, then they kind of lose their stickiness and you might have to add some glue. Just a warning there. Something like that. And then I was thinking of putting this heart here, this cute little heart sticker. This heart sticker is from this sheet up here. This sheet here. So I just want to point something out that I thought was kind of funny. So the die cuts that I chose to use, this one here, this, and this, and this, each of them has a white border like this. Some of the die cuts in the pack don't have a white border, like this speech bubble, but a lot of them have a white border, right? So when I'm placing these on the page, I'm having them like butted up against things, right? So the dog is butted up against the washi tape, and this basket is butted up against the laundry machine, the washing machine, and then that's butted up against this washi tape here, right? But when I'm looking at it from on the camera up there, what you guys can see is, I mean, it's because of my lamps and everything, you don't really see the, I don't know if you can really see the edges of the die cuts, so it kind of looks like the dog is floating, is floating on the ground there, and then it looks like the washing machine is floating, and it looks like this basket is just kind of floating, sort of like levitated, not actually sitting against the washing machine. I mean, I don't really mind because when I can see it in person, I can see the edges of the die cuts, right? But I just wanted to point that out to you guys. If you want, you could always cut off the white border on the top of the washing machine and the white border on the bottom of the laundry basket if you want them to be sitting right against each other, you know what I'm saying? So now I want to add this little sticker here. This one says Home Sweet Home, and it's from this sticker sheet here. I want to add some glue though, because I'm going to be having this sticker underneath this dog here. Alright, so you have it guys, there's my layout for today. I added this little green heart from the die cut pack just because I wanted to bring in a little more green because there's a green sticker here, right? And then laundry is in green as well, so I just wanted to bring in an extra green thing, you know? And this space here I'm just leaving open for my journaling. I'm going to write about Wilbur's coat getting all crazy muddy the past few days. But you know, that's what happens when you have little legs, right? You know, you just gotta go with the flow, right? I hope you enjoyed seeing these die cuts too from the Domestic Bliss collection. They're really cute, eh? And actually, I'm really tempted to just glue these down just like that. Because I love when stuff is arranged like that, eh? And it just makes me happy to look at this kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I catch you next time. Alright, bye!